One of the most common comments I get brought to me as a certified horticulturalist is the fact that people often say, hey, I don't have a green thumb. I can't grow anything. If I bring it home, it dies. I can't have a beautiful garden even though I want nice things. Well, I'm here with a solution. Wildflower seed mixes are a great way to go. They're extremely easy to take care of, and your backyard or even flower pots around the home will look amazing in spite of yourself. One of the key things to understand is how easy it is. All you have to do is disturb a little bit of the soil, maybe the top 2 inches, and then rake it out. Spread the seeds evenly over the area, and then again rake it lightly so the soil just lightly covers those seeds. There's great mixes for hummingbirds, bees, butterflies. It's really important to understand that the quality of the seed mix matters. You don't want to bring weeds home unwittingly, so make sure you get a top quality blend. We'll see you next time on Classic Landscaping.